Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone Ghost Touch issues after updating to the latest version of iOS 17. Ghost Touch is on an iPhone where the screen responds to touches or swipes that you didn't make can be frustrating. But here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First of all you have to do is clean the screen. Dirt, oil or moisturizer on the screen can sometimes cause erratic touches. Clean the screen with a soft lint-free cloth. After this then you have to do is remove screen protector. If you are using a screen protector, it might be causing interference. Try removing it and see if the issue persists. If still issue didn't persist, then you have to restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. You have to open your settings, then tap on General, scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to go to your General, tap on Software Update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can simply update it tonight. After updating to the latest version of iOS 17 and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check calibrate touch screen. Calibrating the touch screen may help. To do this, you have to open your settings, open your accessibility. After this, then you have to do is tap on touch, scroll down and tap on touch accommodation. You have to make sure that touch accommodation is enabled. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. If the problem persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings. You have to open your General and tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.